Energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me?
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Wig cap. This color is nice. Pre-plucked, fresh out of the box, synthetic. Two combs in the front, one in the back. Is a 13 by 3. These highlights is nice, y'all. Brown with the honey blonde. This is nice. I'm running my finger straight through it, which is very good for a synthetic wig. You get one strand out of this wig. This is how the wig looks on my head. I did go back and pluck this wig a little bit more to make it more natural looking, and I did the widow's peak hairline. That's how I wear my wigs now. But this wig is nice. I definitely love the color of this wig. Push all the hair going to the back and use the hair clip so I can start cutting the lace off. Now I'm about to start cutting the ear tabs, and do this slow so you won't cut too much. I'm going to cut a little bit more of the ear tab because I did cut less. This is what you want to do for beginners.
So crazy right now.
Now I'm going to cut from eyebrow to eyebrow. We're no longer doing straight down the middle because of the widow's peak. And then I'm going to roll back the lace. And then I'm going to start using my product. My new product line here is Kiss Lace Bond Spray Level 9. And then I'm going to put it all over the lace because I am doing a quick install. Take your blow dryer and do hot settings so you can get down tacky. And then I'm going to lay the lace down in sections starting with the middle. And then I'm going to take my comb and press the lace into my skin.
Yes sir, I'm cut from a different cloth. My texture is the best firm chinchilla. I've been dealing with chain smokers. How you think I got the name over? I've been realer, the game's over. Fall back young, ever since I made the change over to platinum, the game's been a wrap.
Now I'm going to remove these clips and detangle this hair because right now it's getting everywhere. I need to lay down this lace some more. This is my second layer of the Kiss Lace Bond Spray Level 9, and spray on top of the lace and spread it out on each section. And then I'm going to blow dry everything on cold setting. You don't want it tacky anymore. You want it extremely dry. Comb all the hair going to the back. You don't want any baby hairs inside the lace before you start to cut the lace off. I'm about to start cutting the lace. We're going to start with the ear tabs. Usually when I use the Kiss Lace Bond Spray, the ear tabs do not lift. But for this method, since I did one layer underneath the lace, I'm going to have to spray it on top. But I usually spray it on top even if the lace don't melt, because it does give it a longer lasting hold for like a week. Now I'm going to cut straight down the middle, and then after that, when I cut straight down the middle, I'm going to lift up the lace a little bit, and then I'm going to take my scissors sideways and cut straight down. This is for the widow's peak method, by the way. There's this one small little hair. I'm going to pull it out, and then I'm going to take the Kiss Lace Bond Spray level 9 and spray it on top of the lace now. And then use the end of my comb and blow dry it on cold setting. There is a tiny piece of hair that got stuck inside the lace, so I'm gonna pull it off.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain, until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. Reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, babe, deep, babe,
As you can see, you cannot see the lace on one side. This side needs the Kiss Lace Bond Spray, and I'm going to show you in real time how the lace disappears. So far, you can see it's already disappearing, but I'm taking it into my comb and spreading it on top of the lace. Where's the lace now? Now I'm going to add my melting band, but before you do that, please blow dry everything on cold setting so your elastic band will not get stuck onto the lace. I do like to blow dry it before I put the elastic band on and after the elastic band is on. This is the double melt, and let me show you how melted this lace looks after I removed it. Look at that, y'all. Y'all cannot see the lace. This wig is giving scalp. Now I'm gonna go in and use Ruby Kisses foundation level 12 onto the lace, but do not put too much because it's gonna cake up and not look good.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. There's no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm honest, spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Love.
Now I'm going to style this hair. I'm going to do a middle part. This is a 13 by 3. You can do a fake side part, but that's not what I want for this widow's peak. But I do have to pluck the part to open it up because this part is closed right now and it's not going to give scalp at all if you don't pluck it.
Give me a really good feeling all day long.
Kiss foundation level 9 and put it inside the part just to define it. And then I'm going to add wax stick on top of the wig and around the lace so your wig can lay down flat and be sleek at the same time. I'm going to take my hot comb and do this super slow so your wig can lay down flat, but make sure you're going all throughout this part.
Leave no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me to love. Everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's true indeed. And I'm digging you. You make me believe your love.
On me, baby, can you